Naya has a boyfriend. And she has been keeping it away from us.
What are you talking about? How do you know about this?
Mama, I've been observing her since I returned. And she keeps making this strange call. At the end, what we hear is, I love you too. I love you too.
Don't tell me you've been doing about it.
Yeah. Mama, it's not that I'm kind of picking on her. I'm not picking on her. The thing is that I want to know why she is rejecting Mr. Henry. That's all.
My daughter, I have tried to do. And she kept giving me this attitude like I'm bothering her, so I have to let her.
That is it, Mama. That is it. I don't know what is wrong with this girl. There's something about her. I can't even place my fingers on it. I can't place it at all. She's so unbothered. She acts as if she's rich. I just can't understand. Yes, she's only a serving girl in this place. And she carries herself up. I don't get
Sandra,
it.
you're taking this thing too far. Eh? Why are you taking it too far as if... Wait. Oh, that girl should look dirty or appear cheap all because she's working for you. Or does my place not look big enough to carry her? Eh? What is it?
Mama, that is not the issue. Just like, okay, just like yesterday. Do you know Mr. Henry bought ice cream for her? But she gave it to me free. She said she had it, that she didn't need it. She's okay, that she take it. Who does that, Mama?
Is it too good? Say, let me tell you, one thing I love about her, she's not materialistic. She's very natural. Eh? In fact, that girl is very contented. Since that girl started working with me, she has never stolen from me, not even for 1 minute. I am telling you the truth. She has never stolen from me. Yes. So, please, I don't know where you get this thing like she has that situation that I don't know about. But she never hides anything from me. But she's hiding. She's hiding. And let's see. One day I know you will see the same thing I'm saying. I know what I'm saying, Mama. But one day you will see it. That's what I say. That girl is so weird, please. I'm marriable.
Yes, I stay here. Oh, is it because of the way the compound looks? Don't worry about the look. We have a lot of very hardworking people that lives here.
It's okay. The thing here is that, can you take care of me? Because I'm very expensive and I don't have it.
We'll talk when we get inside.
Okay, we'll talk inside.
Yeah.
Come inside now, come.
Yeah, come on.
Here.
You got a small bed?
Yeah, but...
No common television, like really?
I will buy later. I will buy. It's small, little by little I will buy.
So, who's the boss you're driving?
Hi, relax now. You just got in. You know what? Come and sit down. Sit down.
Who's the boss you're driving?
Malga.
Not even your own.
I will buy. I will buy now. At least as I'm driving my Ugezu, I'll be saving. Before you know, I'll buy my own.
It's okay. You're a handsome man and you have a little business. So, I'll make you my boyfriend.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Whew.
So, let's get down to the main business first.
What business?
Oh, come on. Are you a boy? You don't say that to a beautiful lady like me.
No, come on.
I want to have you as my boyfriend.
Wait. You know I just brought you here. It's your first time here. Yeah, you're just coming here. I brought you here so that you know at least where I live. At least now you know my name, you know what I do for a living, you know. Step by step, small, we'll get there.
Are you trying to say that I'm a cheap girl?
Hey, that's not what I'm saying. Please now, forgive me if it looks like that. I'm just saying that, you know, I have a lot of respect for women. Let me not rush you. We'll get there now. At least now you're on my small bed. We'll get there.
You know what? The most important thing here is what I want and not what you think of it. Let's just get down to the main business and small bed, but I'm fine with it.
Okay, let's do it like this. You know I'm still working. You know, I left my boy somewhere just so that I can bring you here and you see where I'm staying. When I go to work, I come back, we'll see what happens.
Which young man rejects a beautiful girl like me?
I'm just saying that, you know, with the kind of job I do, if we do anything now, I'll get tired. Because my boy will be stranded where he is. So let me just go to work.
Hold on. Are you trying to say that you're not good in bed?
Huh? Ask questions, though. I'm like commando in bed. But not now. Not today. Gradually. Please, let me go to work. Will you just stay here and wait for me?
It's okay. I'll wait.
Why are you not frowning now? Sorry. Please now.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You'll be fine.
Yeah.
Alright. Sex. Everybody hungry for sex. Everybody wants to have sex. Sex.
Oga, make we go chop at the hungry.
That's the only thing you know, food. Food. I want you for Tina to tell me that food is ready so we can go.
That reminds me. Why that girl Tina no gree sleep last night?
What is that supposed to mean?
Yeah.
Now, what do you take me for? No, are you implying that I'm... Huh?
I'm sorry.
Wait. Have you forgotten why we're here?
I'm sorry, sir. Just an observation.
Stop observing. Mind your business. Stop observing. You're observing.
Okay, my press.
What do you call me?
Oh, okay, Oga Fam.
You know what? You just... Let's go home and see if food is ready.
Okay.
Move.
I'm fine guy now, you know now. The guy fine, yeah.
I would do no, let me just be my guy.
Ah! Hey!
Hey. Is it?
It's like food is ready, but she forgot to call.
It is possible.
Babe,
Yeah, how are you?
you're back so early.
Yeah.
What?
I see that you're dressed, even with makeup on. Or have you finished everything you have to do?
Hey babe, I took some pictures. Yeah, look at them.
The pictures are nice.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Have you finished cooking? We're hungry, that's why we came back.
What food?
What do you mean? What? Are you saying?
See, Afam, that's because I can't use ordinary 3,000 naira to cook food. Who does that in this country? I have never in my entire life imagined to cook with 3,000 naira.
But 3,000 naira is money now. At least you can rustle something up with 3,000 naira.
I was just looking at you when you dropped 3,000 naira for me to use and cook food for 2 grown men. Ha! I would have managed 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira, not 3,000 naira. Hell no!
Sorry, Tina. No verse, I beg. You see this matter, I not supposed to put mouth for this matter. But now because of the kind hunger where they wear me here, I say make I talk am. Where do you use the money where my oga give you to?
What sort of question is that?
Hey!
Huh?
It's a simple question. He asked you a very simple question. What did you now do with the money that we gave you?
I bought my soap with it.
But you bought your soap with 3,000 naira.
No, babe. Do you know I even added 2,000 naira? My soap is sold for 5,000 naira. Oh, you know now, babe. Better soup na money killer now. I told you right from I'm very expensive.
Does it? Please, let's go to town and look for something.
Now you're talking, baby. You guys should just go to an eatery and eat something. And baby, please don't forget to buy me pizza when coming back, okay? Yeah, pizza.
What did you say?
I said you shouldn't forget to buy me pizza when coming back.
Only pizza.
Yes.
You don't want me to add shawarma?
Oh, my baby, you're so sweet. Yes, I love that.
Wait.
I love you, baby.
I'll bring it.
I will buy you no.
You like me on money.
Hey! This girl no reach Aboma, our palace maid. She no get level near any of our palace maid.
It's okay. I'll take care of it. It's fine.
She did not add her 2,000 naira to cook the food, but she had the money to buy her yeye soap. She even had the effrontery, the guts, the temerity to tell you, buy me pizza. Can you imagine?
You buy her shawarma.
Even in Duro-Ladipo. I don't tire. What is all this? What do we call this? What do we call this? What in God's name do we call this? What do we call? No, tell me.
What is it? Chidozie, why are you shouting?
Why won't I shout? No, tell me. Why won't I shout?
Enough. Let me pack.
I am ready for the task. I know what I want. I say breeze. I am ready for the humiliations. Nothing can stop me, I'm determined. Nothing can quench me, I am determined. This is my heritage. This is my mother's love.
What is your problem?
My prince, I am not doing again. I want to go back to Amanato Kingdom. I am not doing this thing again. Period.
Look, I know how you feel. But you need to calm down. Support me through this process.
My prince, can you just hear yourself? Just listen to yourself. Just look at us. Look at us. What are we doing here? For crying out loud, you are the crown prince of Amanato Kingdom. Our majesty is stupendously rich. He is the owner of H&A Oil and Gas, which the name stands for Harrison and Alpha Mefuna. His name and your name joined together. He also owns one of the 5-star hotels booming well both in Lagos and Abuja. He owns an estate almost all over the country. He has houses both in London and Australia. My prince, let me ask you, who is that girl that you are looking for? That you have to disguise yourself like this? To take insults from them? No! No!
Chidozie, like I said before, I know how you feel. Yes, I am very wealthy, and I know that. I am a prince in Amanato. I also know that. But I'm poor at heart. And that void in my heart will continue this way until I find love. I know this is hard, but please, it is something you can do. Help me through this process. This will not last forever.
My prince, I am not doing again. Let me tell you, listen, you have the heart of lion. I don't have that kind of heart. I don't have the heart to endure insults. No. I was trained to attack any evil in form of human and spiritual that will come near the royal family. But I cannot stand and be watching girls insult you like a nobody.
Oh, well, I am the one they are insulting, not you. So please, that's enough, okay? We stay here, we continue, we go back home tomorrow. This whole mission continues.
No, you have to go alone. No.
I'm
going back.
Chidozie.
My prince.
Are you questioning my authority? Chidozie.
See, it's because you are the prince, so one-on-one I will not take this nonsense at all.
Chidozie.
My prince.
Do I take orders from you or you take orders from me?
I take from you, my prince.
This mission continues. We go back home and rest. Tomorrow is another day.
Hey. Thank you, Mr. Teresa Atawamon. Thank you, Mr. Teresa Atawamon.
I mean, who sends this kind of text to somebody?
I
saw the message and I was surprised. I don't... Just read... No, read from the top. Wait. Let me show you.
Ifnaya! Let me warn you. The next time you interfere in my affair in this shop, I will show you the stuff I'm made of. This place doesn't look like your dead mother's shop.
Excuse me?
Abigail, calm down. I don't want you to say anything. If you're too angry, you should go home. Okay? Just calm down. Sandra, what happened today doesn't warrant this. I'm sorry that I interfered, but I was only trying to look out for our customers. They are new people. No, really. But I am just here to warn you. I am here to warn you. Let that sink in this your dumb skull. Let it sink because of next time.
Babe, this one loud. This one loud. You know when they para.
I said you should calm down. Take it easy. What is wrong with you? Calm down. Please, I'm sorry for whatever happened today, but please, let's just have some peace here. Please. What are you trying to do? No, what are you trying to do? This place doesn't look like a playground, your school playground to you.
Wow. Playground. No, graduate with that class. What are you doing in your mother's restaurant?
What is wrong with you? You will not dare raise your filthy hands on my sister. Get the stain off of me. Are you stupid? The next time you will try this with me, if you try it, I will show you the stuff I'm made of. Idiot.
Abigail!
go and play small girl.
No, sister, this is too much now. This is too much now. How dare she raise her hand on you?
Go home, Abigail. I said you should go home now.
Wallah, you must collect.
Abigail, go home.
Honestly, I feel like slapping you. What gave you the right to raise your filthy hands on that girl? What came over you? Have you lost your manners or something?
Mama, it's her fault. It's her fault. If Naya interfered in my affair. Yes, and she even stopped me from slapping that her useless sister.
You're such a fool. A very big one. I thought you attached yourself to that girl to learn some manners. Let me tell you, Sandra, that girl, if Naya, may not have acquired the education or exposure you have. But I tell you, that girl is more cultured than you are.
Mama? Mama?
I am your mother, and I'm telling you the gospel truth to your face. First thing tomorrow morning, make sure you apologize to that girl. If you don't, you'll have me to contend with. This house will not contain you and I. Try it. Try not to apologize to me. You will see me.
That would be hard though. That would be hard though. It will be very difficult though. Imagine me, Sandra, to apologize to ordinary Ifunanya. It will be hard though. I will not do it. I will not do it. If Naya saw you reported me to my mother. Wakachabe, I will deal with you tomorrow. Okay. Is today. Shall I have you here, ba? And what's the meaning of this? Why are you blocking my way? See that slap? You slapped my elder sister. I have vowed with my blood to avenge you. Please, can you get out? This is not your secondary school. This will not be something where you go past come out. They hear me back. This will not be something where you go past come out. You see that girl you raised your hand to slap? If you know how dead that girl is to me, guy, you won't try it. If they feel me back, you not go try her. I get it now. So you ambushed me. Is that what you call it? Is this ambush? You ambushed me because I slapped your elder sister. Really? Please just get out. Mama, no be today. Idiot! Don't you sabi slap person, abi? Anybody you see for road, you go slap her. Come on! My eyes! Somebody help me!
No, next time, try me.
I can see. Somebody help! Somebody help me, my eyes!
Abigail, what is wrong? No, tell me, what exactly is your problem? Why were you disobeying me? No, I'm asking you, what exactly is your problem? Why did you attack her? And you ended up disrespecting me after everything I told you. What is wrong with you? I'm talking to you.
Sister, I could not stand it. I could not stand it. How will I watch a nobody insult you simply because you are working for her mother?
Listen. That is not the point. The point is that you disrespected me. Abigail, I know that you're very hot-tempered, but I begged you not to do anything funny. Did I not? Why were you fighting for me?
Because you are my only sister. Yes. And I have vowed with my blood that I will fight and I will protect you.
Anthony Joshua, fighter. Awesome. My protector. Listen, now we're going to go to the house. You will kneel down in front of her and apologize to her. Is that clear? Awesome. My friend, move. Let's go. Let's go to her. You know some. No, it's not your head. You will do it right away. Wow. Move.
We are now worried about the mission of the prince outside the palace. Your Majesty, when will he return?
Do you know who is in a better position to answer that question? His son, Chidozie, is the special assistant to the prince. He planned all this with the prince to disappear, to frustrate me. Up till now, no messages, no phone calls, nothing.
Your Majesty, let us not be in haste and miss everything. The prince and his guard is safe where they are. They must keep on assurance of his safety. So let us not be in haste to miss it all. We should all relax and wish him well in all his endeavor.
Whatever the situation, I am going to deal with that boy. I will deal with Chidozie. I will deal with that boy. I will deal with him for hanging up phone on me.
Father, please just bring it down. Calm down. Always remember that I will be here for you and Mom. Let's just pray for my brother, please.
The princess is right. Let us wish him well upon his return.
Young man, I am trying to settle family problem between the queen and I.
Okay, Your Highness. Well, I hope it's not a serious issue.
Not at all. I will send for you once I'm done with it.
Okay. I want to let you know that I'm a capable hand, and I can handle this contract with utmost perfection. Please, sir.
That's okay. There's no doubt you seem competent. But like I said, I need some time to settle some issues. Okay?
It's okay, Your Highness.
I'll be waiting. I will send for you. Okay?
Beautiful place, Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people, what a beautiful place. Yeah.
His phone is still switched off. How long will this mission take? Gods of our ancestors, protect my son for me. He is the heir to the throne. He is the lion heart of this kingdom. Please, lead him home safely.
Father, you are thinking too much. Right now, Mother needs you around her. You know, my brother is a big boy. He can take care of himself. And besides, the gods of our land will protect him. Father, please. For Mother's sake. For my sake. For all of us. For your health, please.
This is Africa. This is Africa.
Stop, Joe. I want to sleep. Stop. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. Stop. What are you doing? No. Stop. Let me sleep. What is this? What are you trying to do?
Baby,
Waiting now.
I'm a woman and I need you.
You need what? Leave me alone. I'm tired. Look, you want sex, but I'm not that kind of man. I have told you. I did not bring you here to use it for sex. Let me rest. You can be here. We don't necessarily have to be having sex. You know, can just get to know me. I get to know you. Must everything be sex? Please. Let me rest.
You've not started, though. You must do. We must.
We must do what?
Ha.
Look. When you look at my condition, don't you pity me? You see the kind of job that I do. I have to wake up very early as a bus driver to get to the park and carry the first set of passengers going to work. So you want me to be driving and I'm sleeping? Let me sleep. Now it is past midnight.
My prince has entered one chance. Which kind girl be this? Every day, no rest. Now to they disturb my prince, make them knack. They born knacking. Hey! Gods of our land, protect my prince for Rosso. Hey!
Okay, I'll let you sleep only on one condition.
What is the condition?
That by 2 a.m. I'm going to wake you up and you're going to make me feel like a woman.
You'll not be sleeping by 2 a.m. You'll be awake.
Yes.
Waiting for me.
2 a.m.
Okay, but I can sleep now.
Yeah, you can. I'll wake you up by 2 a.m.
Until then now.
Okay.
Can I sleep?
Yes, you can.
Ha.
Sorry.
You said 2 a.m.
2 a.m. Sorry.
doing?
I'm very sorry.
Okay, just stand.
I'm so sorry, Naya, please. I'm sorry the way I spoke to those guys yesterday. I'm sorry, it was transfer of aggression. I don't know. I didn't know what came over me. I'm so sorry, please.
No, I want you to stop crying. Sincerely, I hold nothing against you. Okay? I mean, I didn't even take it that serious. Alright? Stop crying.
Sorry.
Stop crying, it's okay.
You remember that my boyfriend I told you about? The one I met in camp?
Oh, yes, I do. I hope there's no problem.
He cheated on me. He cheated on me.
Oh my... Sarah, it's okay. You need to put yourself together. It's okay. Right?
Even I tried to confront him. He just broke up with me and asked me to leave him alone. He just broke up with me just like that. I didn't do anything.
Sandra, it's okay. Stop crying, alright? Sit down. Sit down. I have been in your shoes before. Sandra, when I want to love, I love with all my heart. And when it comes to giving heartbreaks, I'm always at the receiving end. Some men are not worth giving second chance. They dump you regardless of your class, your status or your worth. They won't even think about how you would feel. I am very soft-hearted. These men take advantage of girls. And that's why I have decided never ever to give my heart to any man. Same reason I refused to give in to Mr. Henry's plea. I wouldn't want to find myself in that position again. Sandra. And whatever you do, I want you to take your mind away from the looks of men. Take your mind away from what they have to offer. Find a man who understands the world called love. Forget about their looks. Forget about their appearance. Even the things they say to you. Search for their heart. Find love. That is exactly what we need as women. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're just a sweet soul. But how come you knew all this? I just pray that you find a man that would love you. The man your heart desires.
Amen.
You're such a wonderful person, and I thank God He brought you to us. Thank God. Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you.
You will also find a good man. Stop crying, okay?
I pray so, I pray so.
It's okay.
I'm alright.
It's okay. No man is worth your tears. Alright? It's fine.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Amuka-Bird! Now wait! There they go. Andrew, bye. Oh, your change, Enter. Amuka-Bird! The men are full. Amuka-Bird! Now wait! Amuka-Bird! No, what is this? Amuka! Wait! You don't go? Madam, you don't go?
Please, they do me a driver.
How you doing now?
I did fine. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Bring.
I beg, I go last bus stop.
You don't remember me?
Okay. Oh, I remember you too.
No, that's that restaurant now.
Yes,
Go
I beg, make una no vex for the other day for waiting happen.
No wahala, no problem. It happens sometimes. You know you won't forget yourself. Where is it they go?
I dey go last bus stop.
Last bus stop, small thing. Go for front. Space there for front.
I beg, na how much?
No wahala, enter first. Enter. I'm not going to go. Oh, you change. I know trouble. Oh, you change. Okay, guy right here. Oh, you change.
I tell you, I don't say 200 naira.
Where be the last bus stop?
Okay, they go.
No mind.
When you reach Akwakuma.
Okay, where do you last bus stop?
Huh?
Una last bus stop.
Last bus stop.
See, give me change. I think it's 500 why I get you.
You go pay for it.
Make it collect waiting.
If you reach, I'll give you.
Nah, make sure you give me that change because
I'll give you my guy.
give me your.
Francis, bring your money.
No,
Leave her. Okay, somebody leave him.
leave am now.
Okay, now.
Leave am. Collect for people dey back.
Thank you. God bless you.
Now small thing.
Anytime when you want chop
I
rice.
think you go give me change. You go give me change, you.
Pay for me.
You go give me how
business they go for that one.
Okay, I tell you say make you give me change. My brother say they like our food.
They try small.
Boy too like food. But this our work now.
It is shop for him body.
Hey.
Come on for road now. What's your own? After that, they go say that put on hit Okada. I don't know just on there.
I cannot miss road.
Bala Junction.
If
you buy food, I give you change.
Okay, give me change.
I don't get change now.
Me, I give you 500 naira. Remember, I give you 500. I give you 500. You go give me 300. He told me I pay.
No,
you go give me that 100 naira.
I'll give you. See, this thing I'll give you. Remember where this boy go come out to?
Abu Junction there?
No, nah, he said Akwakuma.
Okay.
Now that place where they go.
They go now, yeah. Akwakuma, one dance.
Son, eh? Hey, I know you're tired.
I'm very tired.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, eh? But what about the things you bought from the market?
Sandra,
Eh?
my goods.
Your goods.
Hey, the things I bought from the market.
Yes, where are they now?
I think I forgot it inside the bus that brought me back. Please, just stay back here. I need to run back to see if I'll find them at the park. I'll be back soon.
Be careful. Be careful. Easy.
Baby, what him nabi? I'm a jump every man's choice. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love. I don't want classic in fashion. What I want is love. Love.
Thank you, Teresa Tawamono. Thank you, Teresa Tawamono. Okay? You be like person forget 30 for this boot.
You serious?
Touch them. Come on, see. Come on, see it. Come on, see.
Plantain. You don't remember who get him?
I don't know who get him.
It's the first skin girl, now the one that was sitting in front with me. How can you forget? I took the plantain from her. I was the one that kept it here.
That's one where her sister insulted us.
The place where they go chop. That girl.
Okay, fam. Make we pack this here. Go through him inside dustbin.
Why?
It's a payback time. Make we go do him.
No. You don't pay evil for evil. No. You don't do that. Close the booth. More go give them.
And because of you, I want to do it.
Learn how to forgive.
And because of you, I will do like that. No see him.
Thank you for your kindness.
No wahala, no problem. You be better person now. I know say this thing will cost. It will cost plenty money.
I think I don't lost the market before. Thank you so much.
No problem.
God bless you. Okay.
I feel I say your name. Your name?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Ifunanya.
My name is Afam Efuna.
Afame.
Afam Efuna.
Very nice name.
Thank you.
Very, very nice.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
My name is
Nice to meet you, Chinedu.
So that restaurant too with the culture.
Yes.
Because since you like on our food. now your mama get them.
No. She's my madam, but she's like a mother to me as
well. Your white soup, is the best in this area.
Okay, we dey wash hand cook the soup. They wash our hand well before we prepare that soup.
The food dinner.
We get, yes.
Before no bad though. Let's say after we close work we go.
I beg the kanda them important. Kanda. I like the kanda.
I feel collect your number.
Yes. Whenever the soup is ready, I can call you so that you can come and pick it up.
I go call you Afam.
Save am Ifunanya.
Nolly will be the Afam when you know Abi.
I don't know another Afam. Let me go. My mother will be waiting for me.
No, I'll buy a few put up for you. Go hold up for.
No, make a carry am for head.
It goes for this your fire hell.
No wahala. No problem.
Thank you. Look low though.
I go look low.
I use the man no drop you. I like drop you.
No wahala.
Look gutter.
Thank you very much.
Don't forget my kanda. Mom, kanda.
She's not a fashion designer, but a home builder. Anywhere she enters, people gonna know.
I've been away for over a week now, and you didn't bother to call me.
I'm sorry about that, sir. I've been very busy here. You know how it is here.
It's okay.
So, how are you, man? How was your trip?
I am fine, as you can see. Just that I miss your beautiful face.
Thank you, sir.
So, how are you?
I'm doing okay. Excuse me.
Take your time.
Hello? Now from the talk. Why I don't go call? I go call now. We don't be hungry.
Oh, the food already ready. Correct. That be I call at the right time. Will they come? Will they come now? All right. Thank you.
Will they come where? Where will they go?
Go chop.
Okay. Oh, hope say my candle dey ready. My candle na dem important. Your boyfriend, I guess.
Excuse me?
Oh. I was just teasing you. Nothing there. So, how is your madam?
Oh, my madam is fine. So what do I get for you? We have vegetable soup, there's salad soup, there's oha.
I'll go with the white soup, my usual.
Okay. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, I will join you by 5 o'clock. I'm almost rounding up with what I'm doing right now.
I'm still thinking why you have not given that young man a chance. Mama, I am fine the way we are. I've said this before. I just want us to be friends. I only wish for him to understand, Mama. Why are you different from this generation girls? Even my daughter Sandra is showing some kind of interest to Mr. Henry. Just that she don't know how you will feel seeing both of them together. Mama, she's free to do anything she wants to do with him. I won't feel any kind of way. I'm okay with it. It's nothing, Mama, sincerely. You will not feel any kind of... As in, Mama, I said I would not feel any type of way. I am fine. Listen, I know what you mean. Like you'll not be jealous? Mama, I would even be angry if they cannot define the relationship they want for themselves. I don't want anything to hurt Sandra or Mr. Henry. Mama, I am fine with it. I'm okay. Truthfully. Wait. Ifeanyi, Mama, let me ask you. Do you have boyfriend or fiance anywhere or somewhere around? Mama, no. I don't have a boyfriend, a fiance, a lover, anywhere around or far away. I don't. Anyway, I brought the money you asked me to bring for you. Count it. I don't need to count. Thank you very much.
You're doing a public business. You have to learn to take things easy. Apply wisdom. Eh? Why did you harass them like that?
And why would they ask us not to carry passengers there? Are they mad? Oh, now we are.
But that is not enough for you to fight them. Everything fight. Every time you want to fight.
Thank you, Sister Teresa. Out of one more.
Baby, please, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Please. Hey.
Thank you, Sister Teresa. Out of one more.
I'm sorry. It's not what you think. It's not what you think. Baby, it was the devil that lured me. Please, baby. Please. Papa, please. Please forgive me.
I should help you and do what?
Help me, I'm begging.
Beg who?
Please.
Dina, is this how you are? Hey!
See, it's just this once. It's just this once. You know it's been long I did it, and whenever you come back from work, you don't allow me to do it with you. Please, I'm sorry.
So this is what you do when I go out to work.
Pa! Baby, no, I don't. Please. Baby, I'm sorry, please. Baby.
Hey!
I'll cook for you. I'll clean the house. I'll do everything. Please, just forgive me, please. I'm sorry, please.
I'm boiling! I am boiling! Tell me what to do! Tell me what to do! I'm boiling!
Chidozie.
Okay.
I want this girl out of my house. If I come back, I find her here.
Hey. Oh yeah. Slay mama. Slay mama. Madam Ice Cream. Madam Pizza. Madam Shawarma. Your time is up. Your days in this house is over. Let me tell you. You have every right to remain silent because whatever you say or do, I will personally use it against you. Now move it. Move! Get what? Move before this will not be massive and ever. Now move. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Look at you! Huh? You came here to deceive my priest? Okay, Kemua. Hey! I should have known this! Come back here, let me see you. If you're okay about this, it's all wrong.
If not my baby.
This one, you are just excited this morning. Did you win a lottery?
Everything is fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're going to the shop, right?
Obviously.
Okay. See, I wouldn't like to waste much of your time. There's this I've been meaning to say to you right from the very first day I set my eyes on you in the shop.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What is it?
Ifnaya, you know you're very beautiful. And you know you're the finest girl in this world. Ifnaya, I like you. Even right now as I speak to you, I'm liking you already.
Yeah, you are liking me already.
I'm telling you.
You like me?
I like you.
Okay. Me, I like you too. I mean, it's only natural for us to like our brothers, our friends, you know? I like you too.
See, I wish you understand the kind of likeness I'm talking about. I am in love with you. I want us to date like lovers. See, our two go blend. Regina now.
Wait a minute. Is that what you attribute to likeness?
Yes.
You want me, Ifunanya, to date you?
Exactly. See, Ifnaya, you work in a restaurant. I'm a bricklayer, I work in the block industry. Our two go blend. Our level are the same thing.
Thank God for the level and the blending. But I'm sorry, I'm not interested. Oh? Yes. I don't want you to feel bad, though. But I'm not interested. Excuse me.
See this man, they try help. Seriously. You they fall like say you fine, like say you get level. Sounds they smell soup. I not blame you now. Me we won't help your life. They are the fun rubbish. Nonsense. No worry. Because they carry can come find you. You go come beg me now. Me or God too. I not go ready to accept you. Rubbish.
Your mother refused to come with me on a vacation. She prefers to go to Abuja to stay with her sister. And I refused. Yes. Talk to her. I would not take such nonchalant behaviors from her. I would not take it. Yes, talk to her. Okay. Bye for now. Thank you.